Hi, I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax. I'm standing in the Galeon booth at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Today, we're going to show you that Galeon 800 Fly. It's the flagship of the Galeon fleet. Let's step aboard. Standing in the cockpit of the 800, the boat is full of unique spaces. I think this is a neat one to point out to everybody, but we have a U-shaped seating area here. Vita fabric is very nice, soft, durable. It's well appointed. We have port and starboard boarding doors, and then we have a docking station here on the starboard side, easily accessed, electrically actuated. It'll raise to make it easier, and you have full line of sight from the stern to the bow. Come join me on the fly. Here on the Flybridge, with a length overall of 83 feet and a beam of 19, the Flybridge is enormous. Well appointed, great for entertaining. You could easily entertain 25 or plus people up on the Flybridge. Moving over to the Helm, we have a well-appointed Helm here, 19-inch Raymarine Axiom displays. We've got bow and stern thruster controls here. And we have our MTU engine monitoring system here. We also have, this is one of 3 joysticks on the boat for easier docking. So in the bar area, we have a sink, we have a refrigerator and ice maker. Great for entertaining. You can imagine that you could easily lay out hors d'oeuvres, appetizers, cocktails right at this bar area. Standing on the port side, we have a grilling station. It's a dual burner Kenyan grill with a sink off to the right of it. And then we also have a refrigerator as well. Moving aft, to make this space usable at all times of the day or night, we have a sunshade here, a sure shade. And then a large table, easy to access, and then it folds out to make for one large table. Let's head back down below and take a look at the salon. There's a lot to talk about in the salon. One thing to point out that I think is really amazing is there is not one step from the cockpit to the helm. So nice, easy access into the boat. Over to the starboard side, very unique in a boat in this size range, is a day head. I think this is a great feature. It's in high demand from our customer feedback, and Galeon was able to incorporate it in the 80 in an amazing, beautiful way. Off to the port side here, we have a bar, which also serves the salon, but also serves the aft deck as well. So a well-appointed ice maker, great storage in here, bottle storage. The interior decor color on this boat is beechwood gray, which is one of 3 color choices. It adds a nice modern look to it. As you can see, we've got backlit stone. You can really dial in the lighting based on the mood. I think I want to point out, of course, that the opposing seats, they're large. Again, another amazing entertaining space on the 800 Fly. We have floor-to-ceiling windows. On the port side, opposing the galley, we have a great dining space here. You can easily seat 6 or 8 people at the dining room table. And then across, of course, the galley. It's a big open galley space, plenty of storage. We have high-end Miele appliances. We have a nice Kenyan 4-burner induction cooktop. Again, natural light in here, great storage throughout. Moving forward, we have pantograph doors to the port and starboard side of the pilot house. And then we have a full electronics display. We have 3 19-inch Raymarine displays. We've got hydraulic bow and stern thruster controls. I think it's worth pointing out that we're hydraulic bow and stern thruster, hydraulic windlass, hydraulic fin stabilizers. Again, not common on an 80-foot boat. On the perfect day when you want a little fresh air, we have an opening sunroof as well. The 800 is already ahead of its class when it comes to size. The master stateroom is no exception. It's large, it's well appointed. We have great features in here. Great natural light coming through the whole windows, port and starboard side. We have a nice vanity here, a little refrigerator for easy beverage. We have a safe aft, large closet with plenty of drawer space and hanging space. Over to the starboard side, again, a full-length hull window, really comfortable sofa, and then just after that would be the head and shower. This is a 4-stateroom boat. Each stateroom has an ensuite head and shower, so very comfortable voyage or passage with your guests. The Galeon 800 Fly is truly a special boat. It's very unique in its size range, offers amazing features that are often found on much larger boats. The 800 Fly is best in its class. I appreciate the fact that you guys walked through it with us today. I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax. We're going to get on with the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show.